Hi students. I am doing another video for you guys to show you how to access all your assignments. I know I've done this before, but I just thought I'd give a short refresher. So the very first thing that you guys have to do is open up a new tab in your Chrome, Google Chrome browsers. And in this search bar over here, type in our, our class website, econ.us. Now, some of you probably already have this bookmarked, and hopefully you did that already, so you don't have to type it all over again. But just in case you haven't, it's econ.us. Please make sure you spell my last name correctly. It's Khan. So ekhan.us. Enter, and now you'll be taken to our class website. This website has links to everything that you need in one spot. So if you're in my CE 101 class, which is the, for all of you who are in my period 2, sorry, all of you who are in my period 1, period 4, and period 6, you guys are in my CE 101 class. So go ahead and click on it, click on the menu, and you'll see here that I have important websites for daily classwork. And this column over here are the team codes. So if you're a new student and you need to join my Microsoft Teams, then whichever period you're in, just go ahead and click on that. Use this code for joining the teams. Now, most of you, actually, I think I only have one new student at this time, but everybody else should already be enrolled in my teams, so you don't need these codes. For the new student, I believe you're in my period 6 class, so you will be needing this code. All right, so this is the first thing. Once you're in here, you notice that I have all of these links. So the very first link is Office 365. Go ahead and click on that, and you will see that it takes you to your Office 365 portal. All right, now I would like you guys to bookmark this as well, okay, because you're going to be using this every day. So in this Office 365 portal, what is very important for you to understand is your OneDrive. Okay, your OneDrive is a cloud space where all of your documents that you will be creating in here are going to be automatically saved to, just like your Google Drive, except that this is a Microsoft Drive and it's called OneDrive. Right? So all the PowerPoints and everything that you're going to be creating while you're on your shutdown are going to be automatically saved in OneDrive. And now, once you're here, you see Teams, and I would like you guys to go ahead and click on Teams. Once you're on Teams, please go ahead and bookmark that page as well. All right, so let's go ahead and click on Teams. And once it's loaded up for you, you should only be able to see one team because no other teacher uses Teams. All the other teachers use Google Drive. So if you look here on my Teams page, I have a whole bunch of teams, okay? But you will only have one. For the new student, all you have to do is join or create a team and then put in that code. Remember that code that I was telling you about over here? So type in whichever class code you are supposed to be joining in. So if you're the new student in my period 6, you will highlight this and select it, okay? Or just remember it and put it in the new team spot. All right, so if you click on join or create team, it says here join or join a team with a code. This is where you would enter that code that you copied over. All right, okay. For the rest of you, go ahead and click on whatever team you're on, right? So let's pretend that you're in period 1, semester 2. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and you get this kind of a view. This is called the general channel. There's posts here, files here, class notebook, and assignments. So during the shutdown, you should be going into the assignments tab every time you're ready to turn in any of your assignments. Okay, so this is a list of all the assignments that are in. Not everybody has to do everything. Okay, so how do you know what you're supposed to do? Well, the best way to do it is by looking at the daily agenda. Okay, so that was the very first assignment that I posted in for you guys, the class agenda. So you can click on it and then actually get to your agenda right from that assignment. Or you can go back to this page and click on the daily class agenda from right here. Now, when you click on that, this is very familiar. This is the agenda we use every single day in class. The only difference is that during the shutdown, instead of a daily agenda, I'm going to be doing a weekly agenda. So if you click on the very last slide, this is the agenda starting tomorrow all the way to next Monday. Okay? And or the 30th of March. Yeah. So this gives you the instructions on what you're supposed to be doing. And I already explained that in the video that I posted before this. So this is how you get to the agenda. Now, some of you said that these links are not clickable. Well, you can't just click on this link. You have to right click on the link here and then do open link. Another way to access the link is right now, if you look at this, we're in the editing view. But if we go on to the slideshow view, which is right over here, our agenda document becomes a slideshow. Okay, and now all of these links, see, when I put my mouse over the links, the arrow actually changes to a hand. Okay, same here. If you can see, the arrow changes to a hand when I hover my mouse over these links. That means that these links are clickable. So all you need to do is click on the link and it will take you to the instructions for that project. Okay? Each project has its own set of instructions. And this is exactly what I want to share with you. Are you supposed to do all of these projects? No. If you're still in PowerPoint, if you haven't finished PowerPoint yet, then you only need to do the PowerPoint lessons. If you're done with PowerPoint and you started working on Word before the shutdown, then move on to working on the Word project. I'm going to keep adding on to these every week so you have something to do. If you have done everything and would like to do all these projects, absolutely go ahead and do them. Okay? So just wanted to let you know that this is how you access all of your material, your Office 365, your daily class agenda, and this is my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can get updates. And also, we are going to be talking about this Microsoft Digital Literacy, but not right now. Right now, just focus on what's on the agenda for this week. All right? Thank you guys. Have a great day.